Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Form 941 filing with IRS tips, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type IRS Form 941. Press enter to navigate to the IRS website. Once on the home page, look for the Forms and Instructions section. Click on the Forms link. In the search box, type Form 941 to locate the specific form. Select the appropriate year for which you need to download Form 941. Click on the link for Form 941 to access the page. Here, you will find not only the form but also its instructions. Look for a downloadable PDF version of the form. Click the link labeled PDF to start the download. Once the file has downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the PDF file to review the form. Ensure you have a PDF reader installed on your device for viewing. After reviewing, you can either print the form or complete it digitally. If filling out by hand, have a pen ready for clarity. If completing digitally, fill in the required fields carefully. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once you have filled out the form, save it to your computer. You may also choose to print it for mailing purposes. If mailing, ensure you have the correct address for filing. Lastly, keep a copy of the completed form for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.